Hello friends, my name is Anurag and I welcome you to my YouTube channel AJ Info World. Today we are going to start a new series of Microsoft Office. In this series we will try to learn the most popular softwares which bundled with MS Office, that is MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. The first topic is History of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office, or simply Office, is a Microsoft product which is first announced by Bill Gates on 1st August 1988. But actually Microsoft Office for Windows started in October 1990 as a bundle of three applications, that is Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, Microsoft is a name of a company, Office is a name of a package, and Bill Gates is the name of the owner. He is also one of the most richest person in this world. Now, the next topic is Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is an office package with a multiple application softwares. Each application is used for specific tasks. Microsoft Office is mostly used by office person and students. We can create letter type document, accounting related sheets, product presentation, stores data in systematic order, and many more things can be done by Microsoft Office. Why Microsoft Office? That means why Microsoft has kept this bundle software name as a Office. The reason for keeping its name as Office because it is having some basic software which is used only in Office. The first version of Office contained Microsoft Word, Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft Office. Here I have taken an icon of Microsoft Office latest version, that is Home and Business of 2019. And in the next picture I am trying to show the bundle software in Office 2019, that is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Publisher, Access and many more are there. Microsoft Office. In this page we are going to see some of the important softwares which is bundled with MS Office, that is Microsoft Word. It is also known as word processing software. The purpose of this software is to write letter, application, creating project work and other thing in a text mode. We can add pictures. Microsoft Excel. It is also known as spreadsheet. All the mathematical work, accounting thing is done in this part. Microsoft PowerPoint. It is used for presenting the product, giving the information regarding the product. MS Access. It is also known as database. Basically it is known as RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. It is used to store the data in a systematic order. Microsoft OneNote. It's a digital diary which is used to store the data. Online teaching can be done in OneNote. Microsoft Outlook. It is used to send, receive mail, manage calendar, stores name, address, phone number of your contact. Microsoft Publisher. Create business card, greetings, calendar, newsletter, etc. Microsoft Business. It is a subscription services that let us to make our organization on a cloud-based environment. That means we don't have to install anything in our laptop. All the thing can be done with a cloud-based software. Skype for business and also it is used for personal use. Basically it is used for conference and calling. Thank you. Hope you have understood the purpose of MS Office. Now we will go with the series of application bundled in MS Office. Thank you.